going on, everybody? Behind me I got the 2024 model Alpha Tig 203XI welder. Been waiting about a month for it. I wanted to order back in December, but they had a transition for the year, so I know there's other people that are probably curious of what's in there. So I'm going to unbox it, just show everybody what all was included with it. Alright, so overall packaging was pretty decent. Obviously the welder had sufficient styrofoam around it. We'll pull the bag off here. Take a quick visual inspection on it. Everything's looking pretty good. Before I open it, I wanted to show the box. It has the accessories. Definitely took a beating. There's a pretty big hole in it. I'm hoping, I got faith that everything inside hopefully is in good shape. So first thing we got here is a little kit. It's got different tips, some tungsten, some accessories. This is going to be our torch kit. Alright, so we got our main hose with the one end. It actually looks like there's two separate torches in there, different lengths. Also, obviously, owner's manual, and then this is a cover that it comes with. These I think might have been freebies for the pre-order. Not sure if they're going to keep that. Actually, it's got the name embroidered, kind of nice. This is for finger trigger. Stick clamp. This box looks like it's been through the ringer as well. Looks like the regulator's in here. It's got your ball style gauge for your gas pressure. Ground clamp. Foot pedal. One of the new things for this year is they have wireless foot pedals. I didn't go with that option. As you can see, it comes with a pretty long cord, and in my opinion, if you're so far away or you're in a weird angle that you need a wireless foot pedal, you're probably going to have a hard time welding to begin with. A 110 to 220 adapter. I already have 220 in my garage, so not going to be using this, but nice that it came with it. Fits everything in that box, so it does seem like, even though the box got pretty beat up, all the parts came with it. The welder itself looks pretty nice. Wasn't quite sure what the quality was going to be, but overall, I mean, everything so far feels pretty good. We're going to get the welder plugged in here, just fire it up, take a peek at how it works. I'm going to go over a couple things that I have that I bought ahead of time, and I'll put links in the description in case people are curious on where I got some of it. Alright, so just a quick review of some of the other stuff that I bought in advance. My outlet in my garage has a funky adapter that's got a little L plug on it instead of your standard 3-prong terminal. I was able to get this adapter off Amazon. Worked good when we used my buddy's welder a couple weeks back, so I'm excited to use it on this. This is a extension cord, another Amazon deal. I believe this is using 10 gauge, approximately 10-12 gauge wires, 25 footer. My outlet is all the way in the back there, so depending on where I'm welding, definitely going to need to use the extension cord. I ran to Harbor Freight. I got some welding sleeves. Normally I just use a jacket, but trying to be a little bit better here. My buddy PJ told me to get some of these welding torches. These have flex heads, which are good for getting into weird angles. Apparently they do wear out over time. I think they're 10 bucks a piece, so I got 2 of those. And then just to start off, I ran to Harbor Freight. I got some Vulcan ER70S, which is going to be for steel. And then I got some 4303, which is for aluminum. Off the bat, we're just gonna kind of do some beads and some random stuff on some flat stock. It's been a while since I've TIG welded, so it's definitely gonna take some time. I have a welding helmet. Obviously safety is important, and then gloves, obviously I got over on my other welder. So let's plug it in and see what this thing's like. All right, so I have not used this at all yet, so we're just gonna kind of monkey around here. Right now it's set on AC. It looks like we have some buttons here. So this top one is gonna toggle between AC, DC, TIG, and stick welding. We have our adjustment here, which is going to be our amperage, and then I'm assuming, depending on what button you press, it's going to go through the different stages. There is a rapid set button, so we'll hit that, and based on that, it gives you some selections. So tungsten diameter, we'll just leave it at, actually I bought some 3/32. So if you see here, as I'm changing the tungsten size, it's adjusting your amperage, and then same with your material thickness. So based on how thick you're going, which is going to be using this guy, it's also adjusting the amperage on that. So kind of a cool idea. I've heard some pros and cons to the rapid set, but we'll have to monkey with it and see how things work out. But we're going to shut this guy off for now. Again, just flip that breaker in the back. I'm gonna get everything set up in the next video. We're gonna attempt to try to weld. I'm gonna start off doing some steel, work on some aluminum, hopefully learn through the process. So if you guys want to see more, or if you guys want to see any sort of racing or fabrication process, make sure to subscribe. If you got any questions with the Alpha Tig, especially the 203XI model, feel free to message me, and I appreciate it. Thanks.